Hey everybody, it's Erin. I got a couple new boxes in from Xyron with some of the partnerships. Let's open up and take a look. Okay, so in our first one, we have the new graphic 45 Christmas collection for 2018. This right here, and I'm going to go ahead and pop this out of the packaging. These are cardstock die cuts, 2 double-sided sheets. And so there are 2 sheets that have a whole bunch of fun little pieces inside. Oh no, I got one lost. All right, so as you can see, they pop right out of here. Some of them are to make something really cute. So for instance, this little piece pops out and you can turn it into a little gift card holder. So they're already pre-perforated for you, which I think is fantastic. You just kind of add a little bit of adhesive and they are set to go. I love that. So you can go this direction with it, or you could actually flip it and have it just be the green. So that's why they're double-sided for you, and you can take your pick. But it's the amazing graphic 45 designs that are on here. I love them. A whole bunch of fun tags that are on here as well that you can use for a variety of things. Lots of little fun uses. Oh look, so it's like a little envelope. So adorable. Look at that. And then you can just add something so cute. And then they also have some fun pieces that you can punch out the centers, and so they can act as like a little slide. You put a ribbon through. So cute. So adorable. So these are all the die cut pieces. So many options in here that you can use for making little pieces or also just as little embellishments. Also have some chipboard. So on the back side, this is a single sheet of chipboard, as you can see here. I'm not going to pop this out of the packaging because I don't want to lose all these pieces. I have to figure out a way to probably store everything back inside of here. But look at all these fun little pieces in here. They are so adorable. So as a heads up, all these supply lists are going to be listed below for this and the other box I still have yet to open. But as much as I can find that is available, I will be listing. So just, it's so pretty. I love that they've added like a little bit of blue colors into there. So adorable. Okay, so let's go look at the papers. So this collection is called Christmas Magic, and as always, we have our beautiful front page that is full of all these pieces that you can fussy cut out, or you could leave it as like a front cover to something. So there's so many options. They really do kind of leave the graphics up to you, that you could use it as is or cut it up. You can have fun with that. And the back side is a solid cardstock, therefore you don't have to worry about if you cut into it. You can have some fun, and you get 2 sheets of that. All right, the next one, look at all this beautiful holly, great background paper, so gorgeous. And flip it over and you have a beautiful background of, and it's not like what I would call a true red, it's almost kind of like a reddish to an orange color. And it has holiday cheers, Christmas bells, you know, so much fun stuff on that one. Oh, look at the cute little babies dressed up as Santas. I love that. And then it's got little words that says Merry and Bright, Holly Jolly. So adorable. And on the back side, we have a beautiful candy stripe in that. Again, not a traditional red, what I would call it Christmas red, but it's a very kind of like muted tone. It's very soft colors, very vintagey vibe. I love it. Oh, here we have like the 24 days of Christmas. They're actually 1 through 24 and then 25. Actually, it's the 25 days of Christmas, not just 24. So 25. So you could use this for so many things. You could use this for Christmas daily. It would be absolutely perfect because you already have all the little items listed for you. On the back side, you have a great checker. And again, you've got 2 of these. So that is really great. Or you could use this for so many other things. You could do it page. I mean, so many options here. So many fun options. I love it. All right, this is adorable. If you're happy Christmas Day, then I'll be happy too. And there's this little cute cherub that's on here. So adorable. On the back side, oh, look at that. Beautiful holly. It's a small print holly versus the one that we had earlier. So that is so gorgeous. Love it. All right, over here we have a beautiful vertical stripe. We've got candy stripes, we've got holly, we've got green, we've got the beautiful vintage vibe to the whole thing. On the back side, we have the green checkers. So gorgeous. Oh, wow, look at this page. It is so full of amazing. So there's all kinds of fun things. You've got little stamps that are here. You got pieces you can cut out. You could cut out just a section. It'd be beautiful background. You could, I mean, you can add, if you want to do a traditional scrapbook page, you could add something to the page, and then you have all these other fun layers that are still there. So cool. That is so much fun. In the background, this I think is my favorite. I'm a sucker for blue, so anything with blue I'm great. And I love that there's some like spots of blue in this collection as well, and it looks like a starry night and just winter, which means you could also use this page for also kind of like a winter feel too if you wanted to. It's gorgeous. All right, here we have a whole bunch of vertical stripes, but also have some little tags in here. Lots of options for where you want to cut. You can just do clean cuts. You've got wavy cuts. You've got little tags here that you could actually use for Christmas tags. Lots of fun stuff on here. And I love the postage stamps. Those are so cool. And then flip it over and we have a green horizontal stripe. I love that. And then not only do you get all those papers in the paper collection kit, but you also get a whole set of stickers. So a wonderful assortment of beautiful stickers. We've got, look at all the little babies in here. So basically taking all the images that you saw throughout the papers that we just had, and then adding them into lots of various sticker variations. And they're not just like simple squares. Sometimes we get them to look like tags. We got corners. We got all kinds of cool stuff. Little, you know, banners here. It looks like little buttons. And I think the center, yeah, the centers of the buttons actually pop out. So those little 2 black dots, they will actually pop out. Love it. All right, so love those papers, so great. And then we also have our tags. So there are 6 tags in here. These are artist trading tags, and there are 6 of them in here. They also come with a little ring on there. So they're good quality, thick cardstock. They already have a grommet put in the middle, which a hole, so that way you can put your little ring in there. So it's perfectly set and ready for you to create something fun on there. Add them to a junk journal, create a whole bunch of tags and put them on there. You can even turn this into a Christmas ornament. So many fun ideas with these tags, and they also say they're like artist trading tags. So you could create one and then pass it along and trade with other people, and then you have a ring to put the various tags on. So super fun idea there. Oh, and I just happened to know this. Here we go. On the back side of the Graphic 45, this is the paper that originally came with the kit, of which you could cut up this page right here. That would be pretty awesome too. So you have the Christmas magic right there. You could definitely use some pieces that are in here. Nothing says this top piece, and it's a little bit thicker. But on the back side, you also have some templates. So you have a gift tag template, both in a traditional tag and also in a square, and it's showing you where with rounded corners, and also a 4x6 card template. So that's kind of cool that they add like a little fun thing on the back side of your kit. All right, so now that we've seen everything, let's go check out what's in the other box. All right, so since this is from Xyron, gotta get some Xyron. So I got my refill from my Mega Runner. This is a 1/2-inch refill that is actually perfect to get a little bit of a larger width when you're adding adhesive instead of a 1/4 inch. This is a 1/2 inch. It's great. And this is the 1-inch sticker maker. So this is a disposable 1-inch sticker maker that comes from Xyron. This is instead of the X, it has a much smaller profile. You place your item in here, you pull, and you can create some amazing little DIY stickers, and then you just pull that and you are set to go. And the outside pieces are all recyclable, which is fantastic. All right, so what else do we get? All right, so I got a cute little waffle flower. I have a Christmas Joy stamp set, and it says Joy to the World, and it looks good. It's got like a Christmas tree, so you can have all kinds of fun. And then I have a cute little coffee time stamp and die, and I love that they already put the die inside of the stamp. That is so stinking fun. I think you can buy just the stamp itself, but I love that they've already kind of packaged it together. That is so cool. So this is from Waffle Flower, so we have a project coming with them soon with Xyron. And then lastly, we have Jillibean Soup. This is such a cute collection. This is from the 2008 collection, and this is called Garden Harvest. So in here, we have a whole bunch of stuff, more than just paper. So let's look. Oh, it's got all kinds of cool stuff in here. These are washi sheets. So there's 4 of them in here. Oh, here's the other one hiding back behind here. So you get a little bit of washi tape because you never really use a whole ton. You only use a little section, so it's perfect. You get them in a whole bunch of variety of colors. So if you can see, each sheet is just a little bit different. So we actually have different sayings up in the corner. It says love, live, smile, laugh. And then it's got different thankful, grateful, blessed. You'll forever be my always. Lots of fun little sayings. I love that there's these little pieces, and they're all kind of like they're on washi tape, which I think is cool. So it's like a clear, they're all that washi sticker vibe. I just folded that over. It's okay, that'll be fixed. And then you have some actual stickers. So here, it's the whole sticker is a washi, but it's just the square. And so lots of fun pieces in here that give you even extra sticker ability, but they're washi stickers. That's so cool. I've not seen that before, so I think that's so awesome. Here we have even more coordinating label stickers. So we have the alphabet here. We have lots of little labels here. Or sorry, little tags, more labels, even more stickers, lots of fun things that you can layer up and have a blast with. So cool. So these are die cut pieces. So here we have a whole bunch of die cut pieces. They're in a plastic sheet so they don't get lost, but obviously you can pop them out like that, and therefore you have these cute little things. And so you have a truck, but then look at all the fun things. You could actually stick a whole bunch of little flowers in the truck. You could have a blast, or it's just a cute truck. I mean, this definitely has, I mean, we're in autumn, so it has kind of an autumny vibe to it, but this also could work for spring. This is what I would call a very general and everyday year-round kind of a collection, but you could also cater it for the seasons if you want to as well. So here we go, beautiful one. This is called Plant the Seeds. Large, big flowers. You can cut them out, use them as is. And on the back side, look at that beautiful gingham background. So pretty. Oh, look at all these. They look like the wooden signs that you see everywhere right now. So you can cut out these little pieces and use them. So gorgeous. Those are fun. And then on the back side, it's a beautiful butterfly. So this just reminds me of very like farmhouse chic, very rustic style. It's so cool. It's something like I've made signs like this out of wood, or it's like that chalk couture stuff where you like paint the chalk on there, but it's in scrapbook supplies, which I think is so fun. Oh, look at the big, bold. Everything is always in script. Script is so huge right now. I'm trying to get better at it. It's one of those things that you have to kind of practice almost daily to get better. And then on the back side, look at that. Oh, it's those, oh, it's the dandelions that you pick up and you go, my daughter loves to blow them. My two youngest, they fight over when they see one in the grass, who's going to get it first. Oh, beautiful colors. I love the softness of this, all the beautiful layers in there, little hints of the butterflies within that. On the back side, oh, that's nice. It's like a brick, but it's a diagonal brick, and it's black and it's white. And so it gives you a nice, almost like a solid cardstock within the collection, but it's not. It's got a little bit of a pattern. I love those kinds of sheets. Oh, and look at the butterflies. Oh, pretty. And that beautiful purple, but it's not just a purple gingham. It's got a little bit of distressing in some sections of this paper. So gorgeous. I don't know why this page just screams autumn to me. I know it's got flowers all over it, but just, I think it's the color tones on this particular sheet. It just has like the greens that are in there. They're not a bright green like I think of spring. It's more of that muted green. It makes me think of fall and like the rich tones of the colors. It's just very fall feeling. And then on the back side, look at all the deer. And it's in that kind of teal color, which is like one of my favorites. That teal, the green, the blue, all in that family. My go-tos. And then last, we have one sheet that is a green on one side, and then the other side is what I call like the project life pieces that you would cut out. So you get one sheet of this, and those are so cool. It's called bite-sized bits. And then all the fun pieces that you can cut, even tags you can cut out, or leave it as a whole, and then you can add stuff on top of that. So many options. So such a fun collection in this one sheet, and this one, Garden Harvest collection pack. You get a lot of stuff. I mean, you can do scrapbook pages, you could do junk books, you could do cards, do so many fun things with just this one collection because there's a lot of stuff in here. Project Life It. I mean, have a blast. Such an amazing assortment from 4 amazing companies. These projects are going to be coming up as the year rolls along, so make sure you stay tuned to all the fun things I'm going to be making with these projects. Thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe. Links for the supplies are down below, and hit that bell button if you don't mind. That way you can get some notifications of when my new videos are coming up, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye-bye.